Today we have another great product from Soundpeats, the Air 3 Pro. This is a whole new in-ear design with hybrid ANC technology. Like always, let's start with the price. The price tag is £65.99 for UK and for the US $59.99. Like always, I will leave links in the video description. Please check them up for best price and product information. Like always, Soundpeats present us with a really simple, clean and minimal design. You will get a nice matte black case with a smooth, rubbery texture, giving a premium feeling. At the top of the case, you will get the Soundpeats branding. At the bottom of the case, you will have the USB Type-C port to charge up the earbuds. And when you plug them in, the LED under the lid will start pulsing, which looks really nice. You have also a reset button on the back of the case. So, if you have any problems with your earbuds after a while, you will have easy way to reset them. Let's talk about the lid next. And let me tell you that Soundpeats this time give us an ultra premium lid. It holds itself in place and there is a nice friction with a nice spring to it when you open them. Let's take the earbuds from inside. The design follows the AirPods Pro style ear tips. The stem is nice and short, with a gunmetal color for the Soundpeats logo. Battery life. The Air 3 Pro with ANC off comes in at 6 hours mark with 18 additional hours with the case. With ANC on, you will have around 5 hours and 15 additional hours with the case. Charging the earbuds up will take you about 1.5 hours, and the case will take 2 hours to fully charge. Features. The Air 3 Pro is a very well-spec earbuds. They come with a Qualcomm QCC3046 with the integrated ultra-low powered ANC technology with support for aptX adaptive, aptX, AAC and SBC codecs. So, you'll be able to listen to good quality audio with no issues. They come also rated at IPX4 water resistant, so it should protect you from the most of the elements out there, like sweat and light splashes. They also support individual playback for the left and right ears, so you can use either side of the earbuds of the box. And if you take either side out and put it back into the case, music will not stop. The ANC on the Air 3 Pro is so impressive. Soundpeats have been polishing their ANC algorithm over the years, and you can see that with the Air 3 Pro. These earbuds work well with cutting low humming noises, especially with road noises, airplane cabin noises. They are so effective. With humans talking or chatting, these earbuds don't cut them out as effectively. Pass-through mode is also decent. Wind noise is also controlled really well. If I had to score this ANC, I would score it at 8 out of 10. So really good performance. I just love the sound quality of the Air 3 Pro. It really sounds good. Every frequency is balanced and well reproduced. The bass is deep. You can feel the thumps and also a slight sub-bass rumble. Do the 12mm driver, you will get a very good performance of low frequency. Even with this bass, vocals are controlled really well and sound really crisp and clean. Highs are decently controlled. They are not messy. All in all, very nice sounding, well controlled and balanced sounding earbuds. Next, please be the judge on the Soundpeats Air 3 Pro call quality, inside and outside.
Right guys, this is the sound of the Soundpeats Air 3 Pro. Inside of the house, so we're going to go outside and do the same test outside. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about the sound of the Soundpeats Air 3 Pro. So if you go phone call, this is how they will sound. Let's move on to the test outside. Right guys, so this is the sound of the Soundpeats Air 3 Pro outside. So if you get a phone call outside, this is how they sound. Let me know in the comments if you guys like the sound. Right guys, let's go back to the review inside again.
with a QCC3046 chipset. You will get the lowest latency possible, so with gaming mode or without the gaming mode, the latency is so minimal to no delay at all. Watching movies and videos on YouTube or Netflix is also no problem with no lag at all. With all the Soundpeats earbuds, controls is one of their strongest features. With the Air 3 Pro you will get pretty much everything except for the track skip backwards, because that control is needed for the ANC. I would say this is another great release from Soundpeats, and in my opinion they meet every aspect of making a great pair of earbuds. Please give them a try and let me know what you think. Thiago here, wishing you a great day with your friends and family, and I will catch you on the next one.